Top down, we drive a 45 wind in our face. Yeah, no time to think about slowing down, fuck yesterday. Let's go out to the city lights, girl, got me feeling right, fading away. Yeah, 'cause right now I think we needin' that long holiday. Late nights, real fights, got that shit, got that real ice. For you, come soon, bad girl, gonna stay the night through. I think that I love you, no one else above you, feeling like we've been okay. So it's time to get away now, moving to a new town, driving down a Monterey. Top down, we drive a 45 wind in the face. No time to think about slowing down.
언박싱. 이게 뭐야? 백카드. 짜보겠습니다. 지금 짜기만 했는데 뭔가 맞을 것 같은 기분이 들어. 안경. 레이벤. 오, 이거 색깔 뭐야? 건메탈. 이거 맞아? 검정도 아닌 것이, 흰색도 아닌 것이, 그렇습니다. 엄매가 준 크리스마스 선물인데요. 이제 뜯어볼게요. 제가 제일 좋아하는 립글로우고요. 콘덴츠. 짜란! 예쁘죠?
Excuse me? Can you help me for a pickup?
줌 미팅에 필요한 웹캠 설치를 한 모습이고요. 사진을 보겠습니다. 잡지랑
홀스레디시로 우물로 주는 거. Any side plate?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
오늘 스케이트 타러 갑니다. 안녕. 이게 마음에 든다.
Everybody makes mistakes. Cause no one can be perfect. It was just one kiss, but that don't justify it. I know what I did was wrong, but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind. It hasn't always been like this. Remember when we were in love? You were always
저의 면접 룩은 저번에 본 것이랑 똑같지만 머리띠랑 머리끈을 바꿔봤고요. 어차피 보이지 않습니다. 그냥 깔끔하게 입어봤습니다. 오늘은 면접 보고 맛있는 거 먹으러 가겠습니다.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hi there, Kayla. I'm just changing your name, first name, the last initial. Yes, I should have emailed you, but no.
For people to add to the team. What I'm really trying to do right now is really see.
From Humber College,
Yeah.
interior decorating program last year,
Okay.
and since then I've been looking for a interior junior designer position. Huge interest about interior design is
Yeah.
because I'm the person who really love creating and changing something,
Yeah.
and I'm the one who feel satisfied and happy when I do something for people who want to change something based on their needs and budget. Something was a fashion before I quit the editor job, and now I think that something is a space for the interior. So yeah, this is my self speech. Okay, of course, to attract the clients, but it should be functional and has details.
Yeah.
Just unique is useless, I think, because if there is no functions and details, so I think it's gonna be that space without any details. And I think interior design is for people who is living in this world, so it's just for people how can they live in the space which we design. So yeah,
면접 보러 가는 길인데요. 다 힘듭니다. 하고 있습니다. 아주 일하기 좋은 동네입니다만 집에서 좀 먼 것이 힘입니다. 어떡하죠?
Yeah, actually, I have a question. So, based on your PDF about your
어디 닭거리냐고 묻지 마세요. 저희가 새로 하고 있거든요. 오빠가 해준 거 말고 사먹는 거에서 사먹는 것 중에서 제일 행복한 날이에요.
닭발이야, 숲이야.
소비지.